of my Hampi trip, and as you all can see that I am in a fringes mania today. I feel nothing screams more hippie than fringes, right? So boho hippie. So today I'm in that boho mood. Now we standing here at the boat point, which is inside Hippie Island. Now, yesterday I spoke to my hotel owner, and he told me, I said we have to cover Hampi, and with this thing. We have to cover that in one day. He said that can be covered in one day. He said, did you all go to Vijaya Vittala temple? And we were like, no, we didn't go to Vijaya Vittala temple. Then he was like, then do one thing. First, like our checkout is tomorrow, so go to because Vijaya Vittala. So first do one thing, which go to the other side, explore Hampi today, because that can be covered in one day. Virupaksha Temple, and then this Queen's Bath and Royal Enclave and everything can be covered in one day. However, Vijaya Vittala temple, it takes 2 hours because it is crowded, and then you have to go through an electronic something, he said, so it will take 2 hours. And plus now, please note this down, because many videos which I saw, I did not have this information. So if you have to go to Vijaya Vittala temple, you have to cross Tungabhadra lake from Anagundi. From there the boat goes. So if you have to go to Vijaya Vittala temple, you have to cross Tungabhadra river from Anagundi. And if you have to go to Hampi, where you have to go to temples, the ruins and all, then you have to cross Tungabhadra river from Hippie Island. So there are 2 points for this river or to get into the boat. One from there, that is Anagundi, that's to Vijaya Vittala temple, and one from Hippie Island, which is to Hampi, like main Hampi. So now once we cross that, the bikes that you hire here, those bikes you can't take it there. You like the bikes that you hire in Virupurra Gaddi, that you can't take it to Hampi. Like they strictly tell you don't take it to Hampi. And now once we cross the river, from there you can hire a bike, or you can hire a bicycle also. They said bicycle, so I'm thinking we'll hire a bicycle, and then we can buy bicycle, like we can cycle around. Or then auto rickshaw also is there. The guy who got us, the auto rickshaw person who got us, he was he had told us he will take us around. But then we were thinking, in an auto rickshaw it's better, like bike and all will be open. That's the reason we didn't hire it. So you have bus, you have auto, you have bicycle, and you have bike once you cross the river, and then you get on the other side. So now let's see, it's weekend. They say you have to go early in the morning or you don't get it, because a lot of people come and the charges are also high over the weekend than that of weekdays. So if you are planning, if you can plan during the weekdays, because the charges will be little low for homestays and everything. So yeah, the boat is not yet come. I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Just like I was so paranoid, I should not miss the first boat. Woke up at 5 o'clock. We've come and we are standing here, but the boat has not yet come. So we're waiting for the boat. Oh, we are outside Virupaksha Temple. The entrance itself is so grand. This is the entrance that I saw from Laughing Buddha. The entrance itself is so grand, and I feel like, why did I not get the DSLR? We literally feel like that picture squeeze. I know a new adjective needs to be invented for this. Virupaksha Temple. Now, actually from here, we got a like there was a group. So he said we wanted a bicycle. I told you all right, bike, bicycle or something. So we got a group with whom we'll bicycle and then we'll visit each and every place. And the reason why we hired the bicycle was because we it's in the same direction. It's not like you need to know the directions or something. It's in the same direction, but the reason why we hired is that there's a guide as well, so he'll give us information and then I can put that in this video. So we are waiting now. We were already late for the first group. They already went, so the second group is ready and we'll leave for that, like we'll leave along with that group. So I'll be sharing information also with you. I'll do a voiceover of everything now because since it's with a group, I can't talk and stand there talking and then shoot. So I'll do a voiceover of each and everything with the information. Guys, after so many years I'm sitting on a bicycle. Even I had a same. I had a BSA. I had a grey BSA. I think not BSNL, but a BSA cycle. So the first place we visited was Kadalekalu Ganesha. Now Kadalekalu Ganesha is dated back to 15th century. This is a sitting Lord Ganesha's idol which is 4.5 meters. The idol is in a simple sanctum which has tall slender pillars with Hindu gods sculpted on the wall.
Bazaar. This is selling diamond. See the diamond and see the necklace here, and see the Portuguese came to buy. You see the Arabs here. You see every people. You see how many elephants, how many horses. It was the richest city. You see, it was a rich city. But observe the bazaar, no door. 500 years back, they keep a diamond in the market. They close one blue cloth, going home back. Morning open market. Nobody steal diamond. Nobody take that diamond. Rich city. The diamond for them, Hyderabad. South India mining, coming here, market. But see the ground diamond, first floor flowers. All the way to the main.